So this is the on grip variant.
Okay.
So currently we are in the default mode, that is the auto. So what the auto mode is that when it detects any slippage, it switches to all-wheel drive mode from the usual front-wheel drive. So now we have a first obstacle, that is the rock bed. So this is to demonstrate the ground clearance and the ride quality of the vehicle. So we have 360-degree cameras on the vehicle that we can use for our assistance to maneuver through this obstacle course. We can avoid the bigger rocks. And the 360-degree view tells us exactly where the wheels are.
Great.
This gets us to the second obstacle, that is the potholes that we encounter on a daily basis, on highways, on city drive, everywhere. So for this we can choose another camera angle, that is the front facing camera.
Very familiar potholes.
Yes,
It's called the gutter covers always keep on breaking. Very specifically in my area.
Like this. So now this gets us to the third obstacle, that is the tip over.
Okay.
So this is a right angle drop, and we remain in the auto mode. And
Quite
this
a
is
deep one.
Yes, this is to demonstrate the rigidity of the chassis. So here I'll stop for a moment. Our wheel is in the air, and at this angle, if the chassis is not rigid enough, we won't be able to open and close the door.
Okay.
So now with a little feathering of the brake, I'll just move my foot slightly off the brake,
Okay.
and we'll maneuver through this obstacle. So this is also to show the approach angle of the
Approach
vehicle,
angle.
approach and departure angle,
And the ground clearance.
and the ground clearance as well. So now we approach a steep ascent, and that is a sandy steep ascent. So we switch to the snow mode, so that the traction control does its job and we sees us through this obstacle. So with little throttle input and the traction control kicking in, we'll be able to maneuver through this obstacle.
Consistent and